everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make macaroni gratin. It's macaroni gratin. So it's not Japanese food at all, but someone requested it. So why not? Let me just show you my way of making it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this macaroni gratin. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of macaroni, 6 chicken tenderloin, or you can use any other protein you like chicken breast, turkey, shrimp, or boiled egg. 1 onion, shredded mozzarella, as much as you like. For the white sauce, 400 ml of milk, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 40 grams of butter, and some salt and pepper. Prepare some boiling water to cook macaroni. And while you do that, let's do all the cutting. So onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half. Make thin slices. Let's just put it aside. And chicken. I want to remove this tendon because it's chewy. So prepare fork and kitchen paper. Put the tendon like this and grab it with kitchen paper and fork. And you can easily remove it like this. Put it here, grab it, and pour. Let's just cut it into small bite-sized pieces. So that you have chicken in every bite. Heat up some vegetable oil in the wok or frying pan and let's cook the chicken and onion. About 1 tablespoon. Chicken. When it's half cooked, add onion. And both onion and chicken are well cooked. Kill the heat and just leave it here. Now, the boiling water is ready, so let's cook the macaroni. I'm using instant macaroni, so I'm cooking it for 4 minutes. But just follow the instruction on the package of your macaroni. Let's put some salt. Put the macaroni. Cooked for 4 minutes. So let's drain it and put it in the wok. So I have a strainer here in the sink. Drain. Into the wok. Now, I'm making the white sauce. So prepare a large bowl that you can microwave. Put butter. And flour. And microwave this 1 minute at 600 watts. Give it a good mix until it's nice and shiny. No lumpy flour left. Let's add the milk little by little. Back into the microwave. 2 minutes at 600 watts. It's coagulated at the bottom, but it's still loose at the top. So mix it well until it's nice and even. Okay, another 2 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a good mix. Two more minutes at 600 watts. This is the last time. Give it a mix. And silky smooth white sauce is ready. Let's put it in the wok. Just put it all in. Mix it well. Some salt and pepper to your taste. Try some here to make sure the saltiness is right for you. Let's put it in the oven there. Put some shredded mozzarella. Okay, let's grill them in the oven until the cheese is nicely browned. Grilled for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. And macaroni gratin is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so rich and creamy. My children often ask me to make some gratin. No wonder why. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Let's put macaroni gratin here. It's not rice, but it's carb, so it goes here, and it also covers the main. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about creamy pumpkin soup here, broccoli salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!